Hey y'all, today I'm going to show y'all how to fix some runny jelly. So if you get some that doesn't set up, whether you didn't get it hot enough long enough, or if you used the wrong pectin like I did, your jelly is not ruined, okay? It's not ruined. Don't throw it away. So I've got one batch that I used the wrong pectin in. Yeah, I did. But I know how to save it. So all we're going to do, so I have 4 cups of my jelly. Let me get a spatula over here. Sorry about the banging of the pan. I just want to get all the goodness out of there. All that goodness. Okay, so for every cup, so you do have to measure your jelly to find out how much you got. So for every cup of jelly, you got to use the low sugar pectin. The low sugar, no sugar pectin is what you want. Because we're not adding on new sugar to it. That would just, no. So it's in the pink box. So I've got 4 cups. So I'm going to need 4 tablespoons. Now let me turn this eye on. And I need to turn that one this way. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so I'm gonna need 4 tablespoons of pectin. Now we're gonna stir this up and we're gonna bring it to a boil. We're gonna let it be a rolling boil, which means that it's gonna boil, and when you stir it, it can't be stirred down. It's gonna still keep right on boiling. So we're gonna do that, and then we will reprocess it. We'll put it back in our hot jars, clean, sterile jars, and water bath it for 10 minutes, okay? Okay, y'all. It has been at a rolling boil for more than a minute. More like between 2 and 3 minutes. I kind of put a pot holder up in there to lift it so it won't stay just right on the eye, just scorch it. So we're processing it now just like we did the first time. And I can tell it's going to gel because it's already gelling right there in my funnel. But, so the reason it won't gel is, one, you used the wrong pectin, like I did. And I remembered it as soon as I got it in the canner. If it doesn't gel within 24 hours, it's not going to. So another reason is it has to reach a certain temperature. And that's why they say do a rolling boil for 1 minute, and I usually try to do it longer than 1 minute. But mine is due to using the wrong gel. I scaled way back on my sugar, and I didn't put the low to no sugar pectin in it. So we're going to process this. I'm going to get all these jarred back up and process it for 10 minutes.